Service Agreement Management in Out Here software. As a reminder, it is important to rebuild data in QuickBooks at least daily. It is strongly advised that this rebuild be done before sending or processing service agreements. Out Here Software's simple two-step process for service contract management. Step 1. Send out service due reminders. Step 2. Process payment and set up jobs received from reminder. Please watch the customer service location and the customer service equipment videos before watching this video. Let's enter a service agreement in Out Here software. Pull up a customer as you normally would. Click the Service Agreement button. This service agreement form appears. Service agreements must correspond to a specific piece of service equipment already entered in Out Here software. Select the equipment number from the grid below that is covered under your service plan. Select Plan from the Contract drop-down list. Change the start date and finish date. Next, select Group ID. Group ID tells Out Here software how to bill your customer for service agreement renewals. For example, if you have two pieces of equipment with the same plan type and you select Group A for each, your customer will only be billed for one service agreement. This means your service agreement actually covers these two pieces of equipment. If your company's service plans only cover one piece of equipment, you would select Group A for one and Group B for the other. Click Save. You've just entered a service agreement for one piece of equipment only. If you wish to enter a service agreement for the second piece of equipment in this example, make sure you highlight it in the grid below. Follow the same process as previously stated. You may be wondering how to populate this contract drop-down list. To do so, click your Utilities button. Log in using the password OH2014, which brings up this Utilities menu form. Click the Edit Service Agreement button. Next, you'll see the Service Agreements grid appear. To add an agreement number, double-click any field in the highlighted row in the grid. Then click Add. Enter required equipment information and press Save and Close. To edit an existing service agreement, select it in the grid. Your selection should now be highlighted. Double-click any data field in the highlighted row. This will cause the Agreement Types form to appear. Make your changes on this form and press Save and Close. Now we're ready to show you Step 1. Click the Service Agreement Reminders button. Then, the Service Agreement Renewal/Reminders window will appear. This form queries your service agreement database to select all expiring contracts for the data range you choose. From this query, individual customer reminders will be exported to QuickBooks for your convenience. Click the Send to QB Estimates button. Click Yes to continue to export service agreement renewals to QuickBooks. Out Here software uses the Estimate and Change Order section of QuickBooks as a holding area for service agreement renewal reminders. To properly set up QuickBooks as your service agreement holding area, we suggest doing the following. Click on Estimates and Change Orders. This is the stock view of QuickBooks estimates that we are going to customize. Under the Formatting, Customize Data Layout section, change Estimate to Service Due Reminder or something similar. When completed, click OK, OK, OK. The estimate, now called Service Due Reminder, is ready for printout or email. Do not make changes to QuickBooks sales orders or estimates that were auto-generated by Out Here software. You may add additional estimate lines if you wish, but do not alter anything auto-generated. Once you have received payment for renewal, click Renew Service Agreements. This Process Service Agreement screen will appear so you can process payment. Type Estimate Number, aka Service Due Reminder Number, in the Enter Estimate Number box and press Enter. Make sure the Create Billing Sales Order and the Create Service Perform Sales Orders boxes are checked. Check the boxes in the Dates to Perform Service grid when your customer wishes you to perform your service duties. Job sales orders will be auto-generated in QuickBooks based on the number of boxes checked. Job interactive controllers will be placed on the schedule board after you press Send to QB Sales Orders. Estimates will be deleted from QuickBooks, but keep in mind it will be replaced by a billing sales order. Double-check your work and click Send to QB Sales Orders. Go to QuickBooks Sales Orders module and confirm that all sales orders have been auto-generated for you. Do not make changes to QuickBooks sales orders or estimates that were auto-generated by Out Here software. You may add additional sales order lines if you wish, but do not alter anything auto-generated. As normal, you may generate invoices from sales order. Thank you for watching this video tutorial for OutHere software. To learn more, please visit www.outheresoftware.com.